My name is Shantanu. I'm an engineer by training, but a political activist by choice. In my past life, I've also been a foreign service officer and a venture capitalist. These days, I divide my time between UK and India on ideas to improve politics and governance in India, and on helping small early stage companies grow up. I also manage a popular blog on politics called Satyamev Jayate. So Rangde was an interesting idea that I first heard about it. If I'm thinking back, it must have been at least 2 years back, and I distinctly remember where I heard about it. It was at a conference on venture capital in Goa, and I recall, and I'm sure neither Ram nor Smita would remember this story, but I recall doing a desperate Google search to find the website, and I got hold of a number and discovered that this is a company in Chennai. Which shook me, which really shocked me. A, that such a company existed, and B, that they were of all the places in Chennai. So I made 3 desperate calls that afternoon from the beach in Goa to speak to someone to find out what this is and how can I get involved. But for some reason I could not connect, and then I promptly forgot all about it. Until about a year back, when I once again heard about Rangde, and this time decided to make a more determined effort to get in touch. Then got in touch, and shortly after made my first investment. So the first thought was, I was very happy that someone was trying this or doing something like this. So there's clearly a lot of good feeling about it, and I felt very deeply that such an initiative should be supported. I was less certain about how the economics would work. And the first investment was an embarrassingly small amount, which I'm not going to reveal how much it was. Both of you know how much it was. But it was an embarrassingly small amount, mainly because I was very uncertain about the feasibility of this thing working. And to be very honest, it was an amount which I wouldn't have worried about losing if it didn't have come back. So in that sense, the first investment was made more out of a sense of let's see if this works, and if it doesn't matter. It's not too much money off my pocket. So it was a very small amount, and it was done. I believe it must have been about 9 months now, or coming up to a year shortly. Yes, it was Odisha. I've lived in Odisha and worked there, and when I noticed that this was one of the states where they were making investments or helping people with micro loans, I decided perhaps this is a good place to begin. And I also know it is one of the lesser developed parts of India, so it was as good a place as any to begin with, frankly. It's funny you asked that, because my first feeling was a sense of disbelief. I actually opened the email twice to read that this is actually a repayment coming back. And I couldn't believe it. It was a small repayment, but the very fact that it had actually come back, it shook me. And I couldn't stop raving about it for at least 2 days afterwards, and until my wife got sick of it and said, yeah, that's fine. If it's coming back, give it back again if you're so excited, and put in some more. And of course, I went in and promptly put in some more money. So the feeling was of disbelief, followed by excitement and genuine happiness that something like this is working, and I can actually scale up in a very significant way. The one thing I would say is, for the fence sitters, I would say try it. Try it with a small amount. The amounts are honestly ridiculously low. They are laughably low, in my opinion. It was one of the feedbacks for you is I think you should raise the minimum quantum of amount, because I just do not understand how you deal with 100 rupee donations, and I think that's really, it probably just gets you a decent cup of coffee these days. So the first feedback is raise the amount. To the fence sitters, I would say even if the amount is raised, it's not going to be a sum that most of you would worry about. So try small, start small like me, and once you see the repayments coming in, as the confidence builds, perhaps you can start doing a bit more. To those who have not heard about it, I absolutely heavily recommend trying this out. Go on the website, find out what they are doing, talk to the people, go and visit some of those partner sites for yourself and the borrowers if you can. And I've also written about this on my blog. In fact, last Diwali, I remember writing a post about Rangde saying this Diwali, instead of wasting money on fireworks, why don't you invest in something useful? It actually might come back, unless, unlike a firework, which once it burns out, it just leaves you with a sense of losing something, not having that fun repeated all over again. So that would be my advice.